This is yet another related rate example. Two people on bikes are visiting. Person A starts riding north at a rate of 5 meters per second, and 7 minutes later, person B starts riding east at 3 meters per second. At what rate is the distance separating the two changing 25 minutes after person A starts riding? So, let's draw the picture. Person A begins riding north. Person B begins riding east. And we're looking for how the distance between them is changing. I'm just going to label them X, Y, and Z. Okay. Rates. Well, I know how Y is changing. And notice they're both going to be positive rates here because they're riding away, so both lengths, Y and X, are getting bigger. Has nothing to do with the direction they're going, as sometimes people think, well, if they're going south, it must be negative. No, it really has to do with just, is the length getting longer? So dy dx is 5 meters per second. I should label it. Should be dy dt. I apologize. And dx dt is 3 meters per second. And I'm looking for how their distance, dz dt, is changing. So obviously the equation here that I'm going to need to use is Pythagorean theorem. So x squared plus y squared equals z squared. The derivative of that would be 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt. And that's equal to 2z dz dt. Now, substitute and solve, and this one's going to be a little work because I know what dx dt is. It's 3. So I got 2 something and then 3. I know what dy dt is. That's 5. I don't know what z is, and of course I'm solving for dz dt. So here's the kick on this. The person has been riding 5 meters per second, person A, 5 meters per second for 25 minutes. Well, let's, I guess, first figure out how many seconds that's been. So 25 multiplied by 60 is 1,500 seconds. Okay, 1,500 seconds multiplied by 5 meters per second is 7,500 or 7,500. So I would put that here. Well, you'll notice that person B has only been going for 18 minutes. Okay? They've only been going 18 minutes because they started 7 minutes after person A. So 18 minutes times 60, this is 1,080 seconds that they've been riding. So multiply that by 3, because they've been going 3 meters every second, and that's 3,240. And of course, to figure out z, I need to do Pythagorean theorem. So 3,240 squared plus 7,500 squared, and then I square root that answer, and I get 8,169.920. Okay, that's going to go here, 8,169.920. So I divide both sides by that. And I will have dz dt. And when I do that, dz dt comes out to be 5.780 meters per second.